I've learned something recently that drives home this point. John Maxwell calls it bookends of success, where he expresses, begin your day with purpose and finish your day with victories. Why, hello everybody, and welcome back to Stepping Stones to Your Success. This is Garland, and tonight we're going into critical management skill number 15, which is anchoring in habits of success. The heartbeat of this channel is very simple. I help business leaders, professionals, and parents, much like yourself. I accomplish this by helping you achieve lasting success by combining proven corporate leadership systems with the timeless principles of the martial arts. Through practical skills and real-world lessons, you'll learn to lead with confidence, live with purpose, and inspire others through your example. So the question that begs to be asked is, what are your rituals of success? In modeling some folks that I admire, I have learned to ask questions about their daily rituals and routines. As an example, one of my heroes, Chairman Nicholas Kokinos, shared his daily ritual of how he takes his German Shepherd, Aphrodite, on a brisk walk down by the canal, where they do their exercises together, dog training, and time to think positive thoughts, come rain, come shine. Another hero of mine, Kiyoshi Steve LaValle, has a nightly routine of walking his Rottweiler, using that time to relax, listening to some inspirational speakers, and focusing on tomorrow's objectives. Our teacher, Grandmaster Buell, always stresses the fact that the human body is set up in such a way that you use it or you lose it. Grandmaster Buell also reminds us of the importance of proper relaxation, breathing, and meditation. Thus, a couple of years back, I sat down with my 100-pound Malamute, Nanook, and I made him a promise that I would run with him first thing in the morning every day, come rain, shine, or snow. Our time together has been most productive. I do some of my best thinking during these runs. And Nanook has another gear when we hit the sprint section of the course, and I tell you, I struggle to keep up. After the run, we walk it off and get our wind back, and I gotta tell you, that's the most powerful time of our day. Nanook and I actually have our best conversations during that cool down and our dog training time. As made reference with earlier critical management skills, I always carry my gratitude/goals coin with me, and that's the time we break it out. While looking at the front side, we're able to reflect back on the things we're thankful for and that we've been blessed with, such as our health, our freedom, and our family, and the mentors in our lives that have touched us, guided us, and directed us. I use this time to be thankful for the understanding that with every challenge, I have faith that a solution will show itself. It's up to me to be alert in finding these solutions. During our walk back, I flip the coin over and revisit the items that must be accomplished today before our head hits the pillow tonight. This daily routine has been a most effective tool that focuses me on starting each day with purpose and passion. I have learned something recently that drives home this point. John Maxwell calls it bookends of success, where he expresses, begin your day with purpose and finish your day with victories. So again, the question that begs to be asked is, what are your daily rituals for success? At this point, you may be saying, well, Garland, I ain't got none. Well, that's easy. Grandmaster Buell says it best when he says anything you do more than once is a tradition. So I encourage you, let's start a new tradition. What is your one anchor of success that you're going to adopt tonight? So that brings us back full circle on critical management skill number 15, which is anchoring in your habits of success. Have a wonderful evening. All the best to your family, and I'll be back to you real soon.